Ready, start. The aforesaid two grounds enumerated in section 101 will be available to a person challenging the election by way of filing an election petition only when he contests the election full stop. In the instant case, the petitioner could not contest the election for the reason that his nomination was rejected full stop. Accordingly, the grounds as mentioned in section 101 would not be available to the petitioner, and hence in this view of the matter also the relief of declaration of the petitioner to have been duly elected will be impermissible full stop. Thus, we also conclude that occupancy or vacancy of the seat in question will have no bearing even on the review petition full stop era. In these circumstances, there does not appear to be any justifiable reason to restrain the Election Commission not to issue the election notification for holding election to fill the vacancy in question till disposal of the review petition as has been urged by the petitioner full stop para. We may further notice that since on account of acceptance of resignation of the returned candidate, the vacancy has now occurred, even declaration of the election of Sri Parrikar to be void is a relief which in the facts of this case would not be permissible for the reason that in case of declaration of his election to be void, he would be required to vacate the seat, which he has already done by submitting his resignation, and the resignation as on today stands accepted full stop. Para. We may also notice that the vacancy which has been caused on account of acceptance of resignation of Sri Parrikar is a casual vacancy in terms of section 147 of the Representation of the People Act 1951 for the reason that it has occurred before expiration of the term of the office of Sri Parrikar as member of the Council of States full stop. Section 151A mandates that by election for filing such a vacancy shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of occurrence of such a vacancy full stop. The language of Section 151A of the Act thus makes it mandatory to hold the by-election for filing up any casual vacancy in the Council of States full stop para. We may now advert to the judgments cited by Sri Kamar Ahmad, the petitioner full stop. We have already observed that emphasis of Sri Kamar Ahmad, the petitioner, is that in case the election commission issues election notification for holding election on the seat which has fallen vacant on account of resignation of Sri Prabhu Manohar Gopal Krishna Parrikar, the same would amount to subversion of Article 329A of the Constitution of India, which would not be permissible, and that this court would thus be justified in granting the reliefs prayed for by him in this writ petition to check such subversion full stop. However, after having gone through the judgments cited by Sri Kamar Ahmad, we have no doubt in our mind that there cannot be any quarrel as to the principle of law laid down in the judgments cited by him. However, the said judgments have no application to the facts of this case and hence they do not come to his aid full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.